Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, October 24, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, October 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon October 24, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, October 24, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos. Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 20 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 62 million pesos for October 24, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, October 24, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.